Here's a 2018 Audi Q3. Style and substance are the key components of this Q3, so no matter where you run off to, you have the perfect vehicle. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its quiet and comfortable ride, upscale interior, and many luxury features come standard. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.